We all want to reach and aspire for more, and I like to help people reach that idea or reach that aspiration. We all got into university for a reason. We all are enough. What's up, y'all? My name is Ahmad. I'm part of the class of 2024, and I'm majoring in civil and environmental engineering. I'm from Chicago, which I do believe is the best city in America. Growing up, I lived in Nigeria for 2 years, where I went to a boarding school down there. It's actually where the majority of my family is at. I had a pretty usual high school. I did sports, and then in my junior year of high school, I transitioned into theater, where I got involved in musicals, plays, productions, and I really enjoyed it. I'm involved in Stanford Improvisers. I'm a big fan of improv. I actually believe improv is a life skill because everything we do in life actually is improvised. We have about maybe 10 shows per quarter, and it's a very nice way to engage with the community, to meet different people, to share our passion with everybody else on campus, and they're just fun to be a part of. It's fun to make stuff on the spot.
For I believe it be of 2 years, hence why I exaggerate my feelings. For I be so distraught, being so lonely, for I must say such lies.
The field of environmental engineering actually is pretty broad. I've taken a nice variety of classes. Now my focus is in water, so I like to call myself a water bender. I think it's a very fun phrase to describe what I do. So I work on water systems, so whether that's water treatment, water distribution, water supply, water filtration. Another big focus during my studies as an environmental engineer has been public transportation. I am one of the largest proponents of public transportation. I feel like it's the most accessible way to help move people around. I believe that public transit is a very fundamental aspect of our world as we continue to adapt and evolve. I'm trying to think of different ways to help change that idea of having to rely on cars. I am a Stanford tour guide. It's been a very cool opportunity for me to meet people, talk to them about their experiences, help guide them to see different parts of campus. I'm also a student manager as well, where I help guide the newer guides, give them some advice on how to be a tour guide, how to make sure their tours are the best they can possibly be, how to improve their skill set. So it's been a very cool opportunity for me to expand my role at the Visitor Center by being a student manager, and a very cool opportunity for me to be in a position of leadership. We are pretty privileged to come here to Stanford to learn different aspects about the world, to have great faculty members. My long-term goals are to share my advice and expertise with people around the world. I would like to share what I've learned here at Stanford, collaborate with other people, get some ideas on how to improve different processes around the world, and to see what the world has to offer. I think the world's a very magnificent place, and being able to go somewhere new and learn a different challenge and address that challenge and provide some guidance is an ideal situation for me.